Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the original box. Right here we can find the contents of the package. We can find main camera and additional rear camera. Take a look at the bottom of the camera of the box. Right here we can learn something about this camera. Here we've got the specification: 4K HDR front plus 1080p cabin plus 1080p rear camera, Sony Starvis 2, HDR wide viewing angle, 3.19 inches IPS LCD screen, voice control and more. Here is the serial number of the product. On the side we can find QR code, thanks to which we can download the dedicated app for this cam. Now let's open the original box. Firstly, we can find some envelope, some flyer, tutorial how to connect, and warranty card. Next, we can find quick user guide, both front and rear camera. Under, we can find necessary cables, and stickers. Right here we've got the connection cable for the rear camera. And right here we can find holder, next cables, tool for installing cables, power adapter and yet another holder. And that's basically it for VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.